ka sorkar jela ka lapha ek jing tho she ulat ka jela ban penjari da ka sensyar administrator rule ne shimti no ulat ya ka jing sensyar hadien balami ka huri hura ha ka sain perthai ka balawan ra ek jing bom dan shu ka sensyar ka khadar apo ka khasil autonomous district council apa pentep ka ne menta ka sni usembut menteri rangba ka jela uba prestun ten song ulai thu baka sorkar ka lapha she ulat ban penjari no da ka sensyar administrator rule hak hasil autonomous district council laban kedau baka sensyar khadar ha ka KHADC ka lalong senjor hadin baka kanhun United Democratic Alliance ka bagan thop ya UDP NPP HSPDP ban MDC Shimet kala khalam ha ka jingi tunjuk bor na ka jing vote chairman uba pensengan NCM sekaliang persya ha ka jingi tunjuk bor ka balalong hak arpo trik naiwe.
Well, there is no option. In fact, there is no option because see, that's what even from the government side we have to see the ground reality, what's happening. If there are only 14 in the house, you tell me who will ultimately be able to run nation. Okay, it's so difficult. If you have at least maybe 15, 16, then it is a clear mandate. But as I said to you, now the situation is so peculiar where you have tie 14 from here, 14 from here. So it's so dangerous, I'm telling you, to anybody. Okay, to anybody. It's not that I wanted to make sure that UDA continue. But I'm talking about the issue of instability. Be it to that new alliance where they just formed, or be it to the old alliance form. But I'm telling you, our concern from the government side is the instability in the Khasils Autonomous District Council. We have already shared with the governor. We have already discussed it. We have already even sent papers to the governor, honorable governor. So let the honorable governor decide.